I know it says we're dropping the transmission. It looks like the easiest way to do this is you got to have some of this stuff off. So I know we got to get the starter off. And the easiest way to get to the starter is to remove the alternator. So it's a 17. And whoever put it on there was really proud of it. I'm getting this out of the way. And then there's one on the bottom. Maybe it needed that much torque. I don't think so. And then there should be a couple of electrical connectors. Get out my washer. You see it? Helpful tip: when you take something off, you want to remember where it goes. Make yourself a label. Vacuum solenoid. It's probably not going back on, but just in case. So I took off the alternator bracket mount. It's just a 19mm bolt. And I'm going to get the rest of these hoses out of the way because they don't move. So we loosened this when we took the battery cable loose. And there's a couple 10mm on there. That's for the nuts, or for the bolts. I got those 2 bolts out here and up here, but it's still not loose. It appears there's another bolt way back up here. See where my finger is? So we're gonna have to go in from the top. And if we're gonna go in from the top, that means the intake manifold has to come out of the way. If you're doing this, I feel sorry for you. But when it's time to do it, just do everything. Change the clutch, all of it. I don't take it all back, but you can get the starter off with the 4-way universal joint and about that much extension. So you don't have to drop the intake. It's money.